Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101. Today, we're diving into a topic many of us can relate to: eating out. Whether it's grabbing takeout, dining at a fancy restaurant, or ordering delivery after a long day, eating out is convenient, but it could be costing you more than just money. Here's the deal. Eating out too frequently often means higher calorie and sodium intake. Restaurants aren't exactly known for portion control. A single meal can pack more calories than your body needs in an entire day. And let's talk sodium. The average restaurant meal contains over 70% of your daily sodium allowance. That's a problem because too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, heart issues, and even dehydration. Ever feel heavy, bloated, or tired after eating out? That's no coincidence. Sodium overload and excess calories can leave you feeling sluggish, even though the food might taste amazing in the moment. But here's the good news. You don't have to stop eating out entirely. Moderation is key. Try limiting restaurant meals to once or twice a week and focus on cooking more at home. When you do eat out, look for healthier options like grilled or steamed dishes, and don't be afraid to ask for sauce on the side. And remember, dining out should be a treat, not a routine. Your body will thank you for choosing fresh, home-cooked meals most of the time. Thanks for watching Health Options 101. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. See you next time.